In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter W. Let's see how W is written. Draw a line from the top to the base line slanting right. Without lifting your pencil, draw another line from the base to the top slanting right. And again, without having to lift the pencil, repeat drawing the two lines, one going down and the other going up, to form the shape of W. It's always fun writing W. The small letter W is also written the same way but smaller. Let's see that one more time. The capital letter W, the small letter W. And now for the phonetic sound of W. W makes the sound W. The W sound is produced by pouting your lips as if you were to whistle, as shown in the picture. W, 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 as in whale. The whales are the biggest animals on earth. W, as in water. Water is precious. Save it while we still have it. W, as in window. The view out of an airplane window is breathtakingly beautiful. W, as in watermelon. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. W, as in walk. Let's take a walk in the garden. Let's look at all the words one more time. W, whale. W, water. W, window. W, watermelon. W, walk. Wonderful.